Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a Wise bank account Wise registration tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are on a Wise.com, and from here we're going to click on open an account since we are going to set up a Wise bank account. So first we need to register on our account. And from here I suggest that you use your email address to register instead of using Facebook or Apple. I think logging in with Google is fine, but if you use Facebook and Apple to sign into your account, you would have some problems later on. So I don't really recommend this. I suggest that you just go with your email address right here. So just input your email address. And from here, you would need to choose what kind of account that you would like to use right here. So in my case, I'll just go for personal account right here. And from here, where do you live most of the time? So you want to select the country that you are currently in or you live most of the time. And from here, I'm just going to choose Philippines. So I'm just going to click on the continue button. And from here, you can see what you can do based on the country that you have selected. And take note that not every country has the same features as the other that you can do with Wise. So you can see here in the pop-up that these are the things that you can do and the things that I can't do right here, or these are where you can see the things that you can do here. And then now that you've understand that, you can now click on continue. And from here, you would need to provide your phone number right here, and Wise would send you a code, and then you would need to give them the code. And so let's just provide this. And then after that, as you can see, it says I need to download the app and I need to continue the process in the app itself. So when you have this pop up, we have no other choice but to continue it on the app. But don't worry, it's basically just the same process. And after you have done this process right here, after you have verified the code that was sent to you, then now you should be able to log in into your Wise account just like so. So once you're in your dashboard, and by the way, Wise would also be asking for your personal information like where you live on the registration process. So you might want to take note of that. If not, then it would ask you later on because it is a necessary information. And from here, the first thing that we will do once you're in dashboard is to add your bank account. So to do that, we need to click on our name or our profile, click on settings. And from here, you want to click on connected accounts. And from here, click on connect your bank account right here. So from here, we only have a limited location on the bank accounts that is allowed here in Wise. So it's United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. So make sure that you connect your bank account right here if you have a bank account in any of this location. If not, then you can just leave it be. As you can see, the other countries are not yet supported. And now let's go back right here. So now what we can do is to set up our currencies right here. So this is where you would need to be verified in order for you to have currencies, receive money, and send money right here. So what you can do is you can simply click on the plus button right here to add a currency to your account, and then you can choose either balance or jar. So balance is where you can send, receive, and spend. And jar is basically saving money forward whenever you need it. In my case, I'll just go with balance and click open. And from here, you can now choose a currency that you would like to have in Wise. In my case, I'll just go for New Zealand dollar for example and click on confirm. And from here, I can now use the New Zealand dollars right here. So click on account details. So these are the details that you would need to provide to your sender in order for you to receive some money. And then as you can see right here, I have already verified your identity right here. So if you didn't have one yet, then you would need to provide your information like where you live, and so on right here, your identification like some valid IDs, government IDs, and so on. Since I have already done that, I can now click on the get account details right here, and all I have to do now is basically deposit money into that currency just for verification purposes. And from here, I can select the payment method. Let's just go for debit card, and then you can choose the amount that you'd like to deposit right here. And then remember that you can use this later on. This is just for verification process. And after that, you want to click on continue right here. And then you would be asked of your source of funds right here. So you can just answer that, click continue. And then from here, the next thing would be your details that this is what you're gonna pay right here the total fee, and this is the amount that you would get into your currency or into your account. And then just provide your payment details right here, and after you want to click on the pay button right here. And after the payment is done, then it might take some time for Wise to verify your account, but it shouldn't take too long. And then after that, you have successfully created a currency in your account. You should now be seeing it right here, and the funds should now be deposited within minutes. So that is basically it on how you can set up a Wise bank account. Thank you for watching.